Hello everyone. So today we are going to unbox these new OnePlus buds. So let's unbox it and check how's the quality and of the earbuds. This is the box of OnePlus Nord buds. And we have to pull it from here and there goes. Now the revealing moment. It is not coming out. So here it comes. So this is the buds and we have to peel it like this and look at it. It's looking very nice, like very unique design it has. It's nice. And this is the earbuds and this is the touch sensor area. Magnet is pretty strong, and this is the tips and buds. The single playback time of these pods are 7 hours, and with the case you will get around 30 hours. This is the pairing switch or pairing button you called us. And now let's connect to the phone and check how's the quality of it. So let's start and check how to connect it. So first I open the lid and it goes in pairing state. So I open my Bluetooth settings, like I opened it, and it shows the pop-up as it support Google Fast Pairing. And now let's go to the Bluetooth setting and see how to get it. Like here it is showing and it is connected, and I don't need to install any application because all the earbud controls are there in the settings itself. So let's check the settings. And there it is written earbud controls. So we click on it and it is showing all the left, right and buds battery percentage. And here's you can also customize your custom sounds, and earbud controls are there. You can assign the task left, right and double tap, triple tap. And here's firmware update, which is updated, and it also supports Dolby Atmos, and my device also supports it. And here's one feature you will able to know that how to find when it's lost or fell somewhere. So it has the find feature. When you tap on it, it start producing high frequency sounds like this. So you can easily find it. That's all about it.